So I've been thinking about this for quite some time now. Just bought me a brand new Pete. Y'all go ahead and check it out. Going back over the road. Brand new Pete. You know what I mean? It's in all white. Tires look good. No windows. It's running though. It's running. Yeah, it's gonna be my last week in food service. I got the tires all nice. Solid steel metal. The old school style. You know what I mean? So I got this here. About to go pick up my reefer. And I'll be back in business, man. Back in business. Look at it. You know what I mean? It need a little work though. Did I say Pete? My bad. I meant International. That's what I meant. I'm sorry, y'all. I bought me a brand new International. Look at that. That's what you call a war horse right there. Going back on the road, y'all.